I'm frankly flabbergasted that the Cabinet Member for Children's Services and now Councillor DJ suggesting that the drop in performance of Peter Lewis is in some way motivated by people asking sensible questions about his pay. So I think, can we have a little less of a faux anger on that issue? It's ridiculous, that sort of an attitude. And to be honest, the Cabinet Member for Children's Services will be fully aware, as am I, that there were more serious issues than that led to the termination of his contract, although now we're hearing that perhaps he walked of his own free will. Who knows? On the issue about whether or not we can have a contract with an employment agency that allows them to then employ a person using a personal service contract, the idea that that's illegal is ridiculous as well. It's perfectly within this council's rights to say to an employment agency, we want to employ someone, but they can't be employed in that way. If they're not able to provide a person in that way, we don't have to use them. And then finally, I know the answer that Councillor Groscott and Councillor Osmond gave on the question I asked about the payments that have been made to Peter Lewis, and the fact is their answers were lovely, but just to a completely different question. My question is, have we paid Peter Lewis and his agency for time that he has not worked? I know that the payments may well have stopped on Friday. I've not got a problem with that. Have we rolled up in that payment that we paid to him on Friday or before then, payments for time that he hasn't worked for the rest of his unworked contract? That's the question. I expect we'll get the same answer again, which probably tells us all we need to know.